Welcome to Danicam Butchery. We are located at stall number 56 at City Market, and today we have a new recipe for you. We shall be making some creamy mushroom chicken, and we're using chicken thighs in today's recipe. As you can see here, we have some nice chicken thighs. We've made some small slits in the thighs, and we shall be cooking that with some mushrooms, some butter, some parsley, and some cream. So the first thing we're going to do is season our chicken with some salt and pepper, and then we're going to pan fry it just to get a nice brown color on our chicken. So you want to season these on both sides. This is a very simple recipe. We don't need a lot of ingredients to cook this. So just a few ingredients will go a long way. So we're going to add a little oil to our pan, just enough to brown our chicken. Let that come up to temperature, and then we shall be adding our chicken skin side down. Now that our pan is nice and hot, just make sure that oil is everywhere. We're going to start adding our pieces of chicken. So our chicken is nicely seared. This is the color that we want, something nice and brown like this. So we can flip that and let them cook on the other side as well. So feel free to do this with any other cut of chicken you have. You can use the thighs, the chicken breast, the legs, anything you'd like. So we'll just let that keep going, and then once we have some color also popped on the other side, we shall take the chicken out of the pan. So our chicken is now done. We'll just take it out of the pan. And in the same pan, we're going to cook our mushrooms and finish everything in the same pan. So we're not losing any flavor of any sort. So we're now going to add a bit of butter into the pan. And then we'll add our mushrooms. So what we want to do is just to sweat the mushrooms a little bit, and then we'll continue with the rest of this recipe. So to help this go along, we'll season with some salt, add a bit of pepper, and then toss the mushrooms with the butter. So our mushrooms, as you can see, have broken down quite a bit. Let them go just for a little longer, then we'll take them off the pan and then finish the chicken. Now the mushrooms are done. I'm going to take them off the pan, and then we'll finish this recipe. So now in the same pan, we'll add a little bit of oil, and then more butter, and now we're going to saute our onions. This is about 1.5 onions that we've diced up, so we'll just mix that together. Remember, we're not switching pans. We want all this flavor to stay within what we are making. So we're just going to sweat these onions down, then we'll add some garlic, and then some cream, and then our chicken, and we'll finish with our mushrooms at the end. And just mix it in. There's about 2 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add just a little bit of parsley, and we shall add the rest at the end. So right now we're just building as much flavor as we can. Then we'll go into some curry powder and some chicken masala, and then we'll mix that in. At this point, we're going to add our cream. This is just heavy cream, but you can use double cream, whipping cream, or even cooking cream, and they're all just alright. So we mix this in. We're also going to go in with some stock. Then we'll add our chicken back into the sauce. So we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes, and then we'll finish with our mushrooms from earlier. So our chicken is now cooked all the way through. We are going to add our mushrooms from earlier, toss that in, and then we are going to serve it with some rice today, and that will be our dish. We're going to finish it with just a little bit of paprika, and we're going to be serving this with some rice today. So here's our chicken in a creamy mushroom sauce. Very simple and easy to make, and equally delicious. So here we have our chicken in creamy mushroom sauce served with plain rice. We are located at store number 56 at City Market, and that is Nanikam Butchery. You can find all kinds of cuts of meat there, like chicken, fish, beef, goat, and lamb.